Hello guys and welcome back to a new video. The new Hyundai i10 N line, it's right here with me at Frankfurt Auto Show 2019, and I'm really happy to present you this new i10 from Hyundai. Exterior, interior, I will try to review it for you and show you as many information as possible. So, yeah, here are some information. If you're interested, you can pause the video and read it. But let's go to the exterior. In my opinion, this new i10 N line is much more beautiful than the previous E10. You can see the full LED light in the front here. Also, the main headlamps are LED and adaptive. They are fantastic. Also, the N line here on the side, the front grille, the lines of the car, the mirror, even the mirror looks so nice and beautiful. This will be a very short review. I will do a full review with this car as soon as it come in my country, because right now I don't have so much time, but I still have to show you everything about this car. We have even keyless entrance inside this car. This is pretty nice. Also, you can see the E10 logo up here. The design is much more improved to the previous version. Also in the back you can see the signature on the light. Here in the back we have LED light and also combination with the bulb light for the blinkers. Down here the fog lamp. We have beautiful air diffuser down there. Parking sensors, for free parking sensors in the back only, but we have a back camera here. And also up there we have the brake light and the nice air diffuser up there. I like the design. I like the lines of the car. Look how cool they look, those lines. I like the design of the LED in the back, and the car looks super nice in my opinion. I think it's the most beautiful car in this class I ever seen until now. Maybe Audi A1, it's more beautiful. Anyway, here is the trunk. The trunk, it's kind of uh, good in my opinion. Here we have 50 centimeter deep, and also under here we have a lot of space there to put your stuff. I'm quite impressed with the space in this new E10. Also, going in the back, the quality of the doors, it's also good when you close it and open it. Big entrance. This is something that I like it for a small car. It's great. The windows as well. It has a interesting shape, but here on the doors we have plastic as expected. So don't expect too much quality on the doors. Here on the side we have a fabric material seat. Um, Here in the middle, no center armrest as expected. Also in the back of the front seat we have the fabric material. I like there in the front that it's no step at all. It's like electric cars. Great job, Hyundai. You have to know that. You did a great job with this thing. I like it. Now the trunk here is no flat floor, so you can see here the trunk, it has a little bit of step there. Just a little bit of step, but you can still take your tires when you change it, or you can still carry bigger items. This car is for the city, so don't expect to have a huge space, but it's much better than the previous model, and you still have plenty of space on my knee. Even if you can see the seats, it's in normal position right now. This car impressed me a lot with many things, and you will see it in the moment. For example, the space here and the visibility on the windows, it's quite good for a small car. And also the headspace, guys, it's pretty crazy. 4 or 5 fingers up there for a small car. Whoa. Hyundai i10, it's great. It's great small car. Even now I go in the middle so easy. You can see there no step. I can stay with the legs together. It's like an electric car. This is fantastic. Also on the head in the middle, 4 fingers. Wow, really impressed me. This car impressed me. Beautiful design. I guess for 3 people here it's kind of tight. Don't expect just for 2 people like I showed you before. Also we have an armrest there in the front, the same like on the new Volkswagen ID3. They chose to make it small one. Also Yeah. Now I want to show you the front of the car and a little bit of the engine. Maybe you're interested to see the engine. Right there, it's no big deal. It's a small engine. Also, the rims are very beautiful in my opinion. And yeah, let's go inside anyway. Big windows at the entrance here, good visibility, also the same plastic on the doors, but it's a nice design, well made plastic. A simple, small storage space here in the door, speaker. Yeah, manually adjustable seat. Also the seats look nice. We have the N logo here in the middle, side support on the side, also down here, soft material armrest here. Uh, yeah, manually handbrake, something that I always expected to not see it anymore in 2019-20. Aluminum pedals, also great. I like also those vents. They look like on the Audi. They are the great vents ever. I have it on my car. They are great. Also Mercedes take it and make it on the A class and B class. The steering wheel, it's Hyundai steering wheel, as you know it. They make good steering wheels, not the best, but very practical, very good. I have driving Hyundai i20 and I like it. Also the stick here, we have an N logo there. The buttons, heated seat, there, heated steering wheel, two USB port, very useful. Climatic system, start stop button, amazing. I love the dashboard of the new E10. Here you have still a lot of space and the dashboard is nice. Big mirror, great visibility. Also on the roof mirror here, good quality on the roof. We have light up there. The vents are simple, nothing fancy. Start stop button. Something that I like is the new cockpit. It has a nice design there, even if it's not full LED. And my favorite thing about this car, it's this multimedia system. It's super responsive. You can use it as a touch screen. It's well integrated. You can see how responsive it is. I also see it on the new Hyundai Ioniq, and it's fantastic. This multimedia system, it's great. I have to tell you, it's the best, and also the navigation and all that feature. I will make another video with full review about all that stuff, guys. The glow box, it's also huge. We have LED light there for a small car like that, and visibility also very good. So Hyundai did a great job with this new E10 N line. It's gorgeous. The design is gorgeous. The front car, the way they make these lines and the headlamp and LED and all that stuff, the grill, looks super good in my opinion. They did a great job. I think if I have to buy a small car, this will be in my top three small cars in 2019. It looks super good. They make a great design. And anyway, guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That was my review with the Hyundai i10. Please check out my other videos. Right now you can see it on the screen. Check out the other videos. I have plenty of new cars from Frankfurt this year. And thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share, and see you in the next video. Bye guys.